Hi guys. Guess who? Oh, what a day. What a day. That's all wondering where I'm at, aren't you? Well, as you can see, I'm alive. Anybody else ever felt like they're caught in this song? The difference between me and that line is I don't want my darkness to go. To come back. Oh, don't worry. I'll be home when I'm ready. This is just so you guys know. Oh, yeah. That's a good line for me. Mother painted black. So call off Phoenix Hunt 2010. Quit calling everybody I know. I'll be home when I'm ready.